This is supercharged number 2405. Well, on the original battery pack and the original motors. Listen to this sound. We are supercharging. It only does this when supercharging. It sounds like it's the compressor. I've had it replaced before. It's in the same area anyway.